Greetings, greetings, greetings to the 12 tribes of the children of Israel scattered abroad. In the name of Jehovah Creator and Jesus Christ of Nazareth, our King. My name is Lily of the Valley, and we're doing our self-sufficiency training. And today we're going to look at, you can use that to make a slingshot or biggie. Sorry about that. And then we're going to see how to recycle gray water or bath water, rainwater from different containers, from the bathtub to the garden or to another container. So this is one of the things that is called a quick shake pump. I haven't tried it yet, but this is a connector or splicer that I think can use at the end of this one.